I hope you are doing well. Today we will see how SMS and social media shortcut application from extension work. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process from install to use. Mhm. First of all, we will open the new tab and we will search ASHABB SMS. Or also there is a link in this description box. You can go and install directly. You can also see the here on my portfolio in tool section. You can also install from here. Okay. Now I have already installed this application, so I will remove and I will install again for you. Now our application is being installed. Okay, it is successfully installed. Now I will pin this extension because this extension is very useful for the website to daily visit. You don't need to type the website every time. I know that there is also bookmark option, but this is a dedicated application that only built for your favorite or websites that you use daily. Okay. Now I will introduce first this panel. Okay. This panel is there is a default 12 websites, but you can add also up to 40 websites. And you can also suppose there is a chat GPT, so you can add more chat GPT. So website means links or URL, not only one. I will show you how to use and how to go with this. Now this is the first button where you, after clicking on this, you can go to my Instagram profile. Okay. Now this is my info page. This the next option is the info page. Here you can check right side, update side, action buttons, main buttons. You can read this information to get the idea how it's work. This is the reset button. Means suppose you have added so many websites and you are just confused with all and you want to reset the application. You don't need to install the application. You just click on reset and everything will be fine. Okay. Now I'm go to homepage. Now the third option is the customize websites. Here the real game change. Suppose this is a YouTube video, URL. Okay. Now I want to move this to the top because I use daily and mostly. So now you can see the YouTube option is at the top. Now uh, I'm clicking on this. Check the YouTube, but I want to customize this. I want to go to YouTube, but I want to go to the particular YouTube. So you can go here. So your channel. I'm adding the another URL, but it is a YouTube URL. Okay, means it is my homepage URL. So I will go in customize and I will first delete and I will just control V. YouTube URL will be edited. Now I will save. Now I will click again. See the non directory of that particular URL. Okay. Now there is option, some option. Suppose you want to hide that option, so you can hide. Let's check. Okay, it is now hidden. You can also unhide, and then also you can delete. There is also delete option. And if you hover, you will see the title. Okay, now this is deleted. Now I want to add again the YouTube option. Okay, now there is a drop down option. There is up to 42, means more than 40 website you can add. Okay, now there is a lots of options. So if you click Y, so you will see the all options which start from Y will come. Now I'm going to click on YouTube. Now this is the default URL. Now I'm going to my custom URL. This is my homepage URL. I'm just clicking add site to the list. Okay. Now this YouTube has been added. Now I want to again move to the top. Okay. Now you can see here, and this is how our application works. Guys, please install and share it with your friends. And subscribe this channel, and this application is really helpful. So please install and do feedback so I can improve this. Thanks. Thank you so much.